Good morning, dear friends. Today we will learn how to find out the value of a log. Log is used when you use some formula like for calculating the pH. pH means negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. So we will learn the log with the help of this. Suppose you have given the hydrogen ion molar concentration is equal to 2.303 and you are asked to calculate the pH. Then you will put this value 2.303 in place of hydrogen ion concentration. So you will write it like this, that pH is equal to negative logarithm of 2.303. Now the question is how you will solve this, how you will find out the value of log 2.303. For that I'll tell you, first of all you have to write this number in scientific notation. What is scientific notation? Before the decimal you should have only one digit, and after that as many whatever be the number of digit possible, it's okay, but before digit there must be only one number. So here this number 2.303 is written in scientific notation. Now to find out its log, what all we need to do, let us see that. This number, it is written in this format 2.303. You just make it like that. The first two number 23, then second and then third. 23, 0 and 3. So what you have to do, you need a log table. In this log table you have to find out the 0 of 23 and this mean difference 3, mean difference 3 of 23. So let us see how you can find out the value of this log. 0 of 23, how you can see 0 of 23? See, this is the log table. This is logarithm table. Here you have some values like this 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and so on like that. And here there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. And this is, here is mean difference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have to see 0 of 23, that means this is 23 and this is 0. So 0 of 23 is 3617. So you have to this 3617 1 and mean difference 3 of 23. So this 3 of 23 mean difference is 6, right? So this is 0 of 23 and this mean difference 3 of 23 is 6. Now add both this 3617 and 6. This is 3623. So you write this number here. Here the value of 23 and 0 is 3617 and the 3 of 23 mean difference is 6. Now you have to add this two number. You will get 3623. So this 3623, whatever the digit, 4-digit number you will get, you have to put a point here. You have to write it like that, 0.3623. This is the solution of log 2.303. 3623. So this is how you will write it. pH is equal to 0.3623. So the solution of log 2.303 is this, and the negative sign you can kept it here, minus 0.3623. So this is the solution. I will repeat, dear students, this is your question, that log 2.303. Now you have to solve the log of 2.303. How you can calculate it? The first thing you have to remember, you have to write this number in scientific notation, as it is already in scientific notation, so there is no problem. It is 2.303. So first two digit 23, then 0, and then the fourth digit is 3. So you have to find out 0 of 23 from the log table. So I have seen 0 of 23 is 3617, and then 3 of 23 mean difference I have seen that was 6. So I will add these two number and I will write it like that, 0.3623. This is the solution of log 2.303. So this is the way you can see the log. Now see some more. If you have the value like that, pH is equal to negative log of 23.03. If the number will be like that, then the first thing you have to do, you have to convert it in scientific notation. So it will be like that, pH is equal to negative logarithm of 2.303 into 10 to the power 1. Now this is the scientific notation now. So now we have these two values, log 2.303 into 10 raised to 1. Now you have to apply a formula. Log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. So it is like that, pH is equal to minus of log 2.303 plus 1 log 10. Now remember, not 1 log 10, 10 raised to 1, you can write it like this, 10 raised to 1. Now there is, here also you can apply the formula, log A raised to B is equal to B log A. So you can write it like this, pH is equal to log 2.303 plus 1 log 10. Remember dear student, log 10 is equal to 1. So now this is pH is equal to log 2.303 plus 1. So now you have to solve this 2.303, as already in this way you have already find out the value of log 3.303 is 0.3623. So it is 0.3623. This is the solution of log 2.303. Now add 1. So the pH will be 1.3623, and this negative sign we are not carrying it, so we will write it negative 1 minus 3. So this is the solution 1.363. In this way, whenever you wanted to find out the log, the first thing you have to do, you have to write the value in a scientific notation and then follow this procedure. To understand this procedure, dear student, better you can watch this video again and again, and then you will understand it. Thank you and have a nice day.